Hello students, so today in this video we are going to learn a trick to remember trigonometric ratios. So most of you will be getting confused to remember the trigonometric ratios. So today in this video we'll discuss about a trick which helps you to remember the 6 trigonometric tricks very easily. So before going to the tricks, first we'll understand what are the different sides we call in a right angle triangle. So here if you take ABC is a right triangle. So in this triangle ABC, here this angle B, so this denotes 90 degree. So here this we have 90 degree and this angle we are taking it as theta. So here one angle, if in any triangle, if one angle is 90 degree, that triangle we call it as right triangle. And here this angle will be theta and this angle will be 90 minus theta. So now in this triangle, the side which is exactly opposite to this theta, that we call it as opposite side, or it is also called as perpendicular side. Or this becomes the altitude for this triangle ABC. And now here the side which is just beside this theta angle, so that we call it as adjacent. So adjacent means the side on which this angle theta lies. Or if we consider in this triangle ABC, we can take this side BC as base. This is perpendicular and this BC we can take it as base. And here the side, the longest side in a right triangle which is opposite to this 90 degree, that we call it as hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to this 90 degree angle. Now we'll learn the different trigonometric ratios. So now in this trigonometric ratios, to write about the trigonometric ratios, we'll consider a right triangle ABC. So what we have discussed in the last slide, AB is the perpendicular, BC is the base and AC is the hypotenuse. So here AB is perpendicular, BC base, AC hypotenuse. So now first trigonometric ratio, what we write? Sin theta. So how do we write the sin theta? Sin theta is written as perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular, here we have AB and hypotenuse we have AC. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, AB by AC will give you sin theta. Then next one we are having cos theta. Cos theta means base by hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse, base is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So base by hypotenuse we write it as BC by AC. Then the next one we are having tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular by base means perpendicular is AB and base is BC. So that is AB by BC. Next one we are having cosecant theta. So cosecant theta we can write it as reciprocal of sin theta. So reciprocal of sin theta is 1 by sin theta, or 1 by sin theta. If you reverse that, you can take reciprocal of it. We can write it as hypotenuse by perpendicular, or that ratio we can write it as AC by AB. And then next one we are having secant theta. So secant theta we can write it as the reciprocal of cos theta. So 1 by cos theta will give you secant theta, and secant theta we can write it as hypotenuse, reverse of this, hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse by base means we have AC by BC. Cot theta. So cot theta means this reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta here, cot theta reciprocal is tan theta. 1 by tan theta we can write it as cot theta, and that we can write it as base by perpendicular, or that is BC by AB. So now here these are the 6 trigonometric ratios we study in trigonometry. So now you get many times you get confused. So whether if in a question, if it is given A, B, C, if the letters are interchanged, if they start from A, B, C or A, B, C, in such case what you will do, you will be getting confused. Suppose if you just by heart AB by AC as sin theta, BC by EC as cos theta, AB by BC as tan theta, then if the letters are interchanged, you get confused. Or if instead of ABC, if they give any other letters like P, Q, R or X, Y, Z or L, M, N, or if the direction of the triangle is changed, in such case you get confused. So you get confused in such case. So there the trigonometric ratio trick will be useful. So trigonometric ratio, that we can use it to remember the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now here is the trick to remember trigonometric ratios. So what does that trick says? Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Just this one sentence if you write it, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Then take the first letters, Pandit P, Badri P, Prasad P, Hara Hara H, Bole V. Now what does this letters indicate? P for perpendicular, B for base, H for hypotenuse. So just by taking these 3 sides, you can write sin theta as P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta as base by hypotenuse, tan theta as perpendicular by base, cosecant theta reciprocal of it, secant theta reciprocal of it, cot theta reciprocal of it. So this is the trick to remember trigonometric ratio. Thank you.